What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be changing out these ugly, rusted, loose, bent crap toast terminals with this. $7 at O'Reilly's. Let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is obviously take off the terminals. Mine are loose as shit already, so done. Once you get both the terminals off, I would highly recommend taking the battery up. That way you don't have any accidental arcing or anything, and you can just work on it here. And you can take a knife and make a slit just like that. We'll run in a circle around it until you can get the coating off, and it looks something like this. Then you're going to take your terminals here, open these suckers up, start with the negative. I believe this is a 10 millimeter. I lied, it's an 11. I'm just going to loosen these up. Now, you don't want to loosen these all the way because there's a nut in here, and if that falls off, good luck finding that. So just loosen it right to the edge like that so you can get this open. Then you're going to take your negative wire. You always want to check because you don't want any of this sticking out. So if it's too long, trim the excess. If it fits and it's good, you can fit it in there. And start threading these down on the wire to pinch it in between the plate and the terminal screw. Once they're hand tight, you're going to want to grab your ratchet and tighten these down the rest of the way. You really want a good connection on these. So. All right, there's one done. On to the second. So this one already has the kind of style that we had before. So we don't have to cut this one, which is good because it saves ourselves some wire on this one. We're just gonna loosen these old ones on here. Gosh, these are so rusted. Come on. There we go. All right. So got that off. And these will just come out. That's garbage. Okay. So now we're just gonna kind of twist these together and straighten them out a little bit. Clean up the edge if you want. It's not necessary. Just makes it look better. Twist these back together. Get our other one. I'm gonna loosen it. There we go. We're just gonna open this here. Fit these in. Yep. So this one's too long, I'm gonna trim it a little bit. Make sure they're the same length, that way they'll both fit in there nicely. And then tighten them down again. Like I said, you want to make sure these get seated very well on here. You want to have a good connection for your battery. If not, you're going to give yourself problems down the road. Give it a good tug to make sure it's snug. So here's a little tip for you. These are probably going to be too small to fit your battery. So you can just take a flat tip in there and twist it. Just to give you a little bit of wiggle room in there before you tighten it down. There you go. Then you're gonna slide it down on there and tighten them up. All right. Once you tighten them all the way down, you wanna make sure they do not move at all. They shouldn't be loose, they shouldn't come up. These wires shouldn't pull out. And yeah, that's how you do it.